What's the difference between the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max and the Stealth 600 Gen 2 Max? 100. Hello and welcome to the channel. Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and these are the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max. We recently reviewed the Stealth 600 Gen 2 Max with my daughter Estrella. So how did these compare? Well, aside from, once again, an unnecessary long naming scheme, there are some similarities, but also a few key upgrades. The Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max comes in two colors, black and cobalt blue. And on the surface, the feature set will be familiar. Multi-platform compatibility, lag-free wireless, but the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Maxes also have Bluetooth. So unlike the Stealth 600 Gen 2 Maxes, you can connect these to your mobile device. How many of you or your friends on Discord, but you're on a console and you can't link up with each other? Well, now you can. You can actually link your headset with the USB stick and use Bluetooth on your mobile device, and you're in the action and in the chat. Plus, these have over 40 hours of battery for in-game experiences. Now, how does that equate to real-world usage? Well, I've had these for about 4 days, using them 4 to 5 hours a day, and I've only had to charge them halfway once, and they're quick charge too. They also support ProSpect, which simply put, glasses encouraged. Or, okay, maybe not encouraged, but if you need to wear glasses like I sometimes do, they won't be pressing into your head. They also support the same 50mm nano clear drivers that the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Maxes have, but the ear cups, they have AeroFit memory foam. This means that there's actual cooling gel infused into the cups, which, while it's on your head, it feels nice and relaxed. It's good. It's a good feeling. Finally, what I love about the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max, they feel premium. I mean, there's a metal band instead of plastic, and the handiwork is solid. Plus, the quality of life additions of the cooling gel, I mean, that takes the cake for me. While they're not flashy like some headsets with RGB or cat ears, the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Maxes can still rival the best of their competitors. But the biggest issue I have is the mic. While it sounds fine for the Stealth 600 Gen 2 Max, I was hoping there'd be an increase in quality, maybe even a voice equalizer. There is an equalizer for the sound you hear, but not one for how you sound. This may not be a huge concern for most, but if you're using this mic for streaming, audio is king, and a good mic can make or break your stream. Still, is it worth the extra $70 over the Stealth 600 Gen 2 Max? I'd say yes, especially for console gamers that need another device to chat with friends. And after using them for hours with the cooling gel, it made the world of difference. So let me know what you folks think, if you've tried these, if you like them, if you didn't like them. I'd love to hear it all. Also, we do stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. We also have a podcast with still recording, and we're on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, and until the next time, take care of yourself and each other. Later.